it's Bella. So you know Sephora had a little sale, so your girl had to do a little cop. So I have just a couple of things. I did end up doing 2 separate store purchases and 1 online purchase just to get everything I wanted. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got is this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 440. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. This foundation, I've never had a foundation match my shade so well, and I honestly don't know what took me so long to buy it. I guess because I had other foundations. The one I was using got a little orange, so I was like, let me go find something else matched my shade. And y'all, this definitely #1 foundation. And let me warn y'all, this is dirty, okay, because I used it a couple times. I have it on now. This little bottle pump situation, y'all, go get this. Like, if you're a darker skin and you're like in between some tones, try the Fenty Beauty. They do have the mattes, but my skin is dry, so I just went with the hydrating one. And then the next thing I got is this Tarte Found Sealer Multitasking Sponge, basically a beauty blender. So I watched enough of Arnell's videos to go get this, and she just kept using this, and it looked so soft and spongy. So it has a chisel end and then a little pointy end. Oh, I got makeup on it already. And it's really really soft. I'm excited to use this and start to like, ooh. So it was only like 16, well, I guess with the sale, I don't know how much it was, but it was $16. I was just like, yeah, I want it because Arnell's been using it and she says it's her favorite sponge, so we're gonna do that. So the next thing I got is this Laneige lip glowy balm and gummy bear. So I love these. You know, if you watch my lip products video, you know these are some of my favorite lip products, but this one, the gummy bear, I think is limited edition, so I just went and got it. Of course, it smells so good. It's really sweet and like candy smelling. Like, it's really good. It was a no-brainer purchase. I already knew I was going to get it when I saw the ad for it. So it doesn't have a color, it's just that clear tint. Try not to, you know, it's just a clear, like a clear gloss, but it has a gummy bear scent. And then something new I'm going to try is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Pill. This is the regular strength. They also had an extra strength, but I just want to see, oh, you can't see my dark marks right now, of course, but I just want to see if I can do anything else to speed up getting rid of these dark marks. It's 5 treatments that come in here like this, and so it shows you like 1 and 2. So I'm excited to use that. I've just been trying to, you know, I use the Paula's Choice BHA, so I've just been trying to stop using that for a few days so I can try this out and not like overwhelm my skin. And then the next thing I got is the Olaplex hair perfector, the #3. So you guys know, if you watch my empties video, you know I fell in love with this, so I just restocked. You know, I had to buy something to get to $100, so I just wanted to buy something that I knew I would use, so I just got another one of those. The next thing I got is this Valentino Donna Born in Roma. So I got the 1 ounce. I smelled this in a magazine they sent to my house. You know, I really fall for the ads, y'all. I'm really sorry, but I just do. They sent like a perfume magazine to my house with like a whole bunch of perfume samplers. This was in it, and I was like, I'm buying it. Oh, it's so pretty. This feel like some luxury. This is nice. Oh wait, I don't want to spray this because I bought a different perfume that I never smelled before. But let me just, so I can give y'all a description. It's like grown and sexy, little sweet, maybe spring summer scent. Oh, it's so nice. And I just love the bottle. Like, imagine that sitting on your counter. Look how the light is hitting it. And then the next thing, so this I had to order online. This is the Kilian Don't Be Shy. And you know I got the travel size, because if y'all look up how much that full size costs, I had to know what it smells like before I just jump and pay a couple bags. Okay, that's what it looks like. They say, I think this is the one they said Rihanna wears. Let's see what it smells like, girl. Girl, I know it don't smell like this. This shit smells so good. Did I curse? I'm sorry, y'all. It smells really good. Oh my god, y'all, I have to go buy the full size. This shit smells. I see why it's so expensive, but now I don't care because now I want the full size, and it is what it is. This, okay, let me be descriptive. This smells like a cloud in heaven, but like make it expensive. You know what I mean? Like a gold lined cloud from heaven. How about that? I hope that makes sense, because honey, girl, let me move on. That was all the things I actually bought, and then in the store they gave me a drunk elephant sample, so that jelly cleanser and the proteiny peptide cream, but I already tried this stuff and honestly I'm not impressed, so they could have kept this, but she had threw it in a bag before I realized what was going on. And I got this Penrose Secret Genius Perfume Toilette. Now it says Madagascar Vanilla Caramel Sandalwood, which sounds, I love the sandalwood smell, but it's a towelette. So I want to see what it smells like though. It sounds like it smells really good. I don't really smell too much. I just smell the like alcohol. My sister told me I'd be smelling them right at the top, like too soon. I don't smell no vanilla. I don't smell no caramel. I don't smell no sandalwood. It smells like a wet wipe. I'm confused. It smells okay. It's not bad. It's just a subtle, like, it's a subtle scent. It gives me a philosophy vibes. Not something I would probably buy though. And then the last thing they gave me is this Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. So it's just a little cute little serum. I guess I'll try this out when I do my skincare and see if it gives me a little hydrating feeling, I guess. So that's everything. This was just a quick little haul to show you guys what I got from the Sephora sale, but definitely I'm so glad I brought that Killian perfume, and I'm going by the full size, y'all. I'm so sorry, but I'm sorry to my bank account, but this was a great haul. This is one of my favorite ones, definitely. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any of these things, let me know how you like them, especially if you try the pill pads and if they didn't work out for you or they work really well, please let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead, because I do have another beauty video dropping soon. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.